I went back to school supply shopping and school is in 2 weeks, so are you ready? Hi guys, Kiana here, and I'm going to be doing a back to school supplies haul, so let's go get started.
First things first, I'm gonna release. Drop this and let the whole world feel it.
Okay, Iggy, okay. But my backpack is from Kipling and it just has a butterfly pattern on it. You may know Kipling because they usually have that little monkey on their items. Backpack. Next is I have folders. I recommend folders that are plastic because these last you longer. I've had this folder for at least 2 years now, so basically since 8th grade I'm a sophomore in high school. Well, I'm going to be a sophomore in high school, but this one is from 5 Star and it also has a place where you can put your index cards here, your flashcards if you want to study. And I also recommend these dividers. This is just glittery, I don't know if you guys can see that, and this is from Target. And what I do is I put all of my like homework on this side, and the divider just kind of helps divide all of like the things that you've already like got in return. So this is great. I really recommend the plastic ones. These are about $3, though they're more expensive than the paper ones, but they do last longer, so I really recommend these. But these are just the paper ones because Target needs to step up its game, okay? I could not find any plastic folders, which really got me frustrated. But I got 2 paper folders and they both have One Direction on it because One Direction is life. Just kidding. I just love One Direction. I'm a Directioner. Next is I have a binder, and this is just blue. This is also from Target. Clearly, I showed you the Target bags and stuff. So this is the 1 and 1 inch because I feel like I'm going to be getting more things, I guess, because I know that I'm going to be taking a lot of notes this year, a lot. So I usually get the 1 inch and this is 1.5, so I stepped it up 1/2 inch. And this is just like the clear one, so you can put like quotes here. That's what I usually do. You can really decorate it and stuff. And this also has the pockets in it. I cannot stress enough how much these pockets are so helpful if you like have to go to your next class and your teacher like stays, like, you know, makes you stay in. You can just put things in here and just like get out class so you don't have to be late to your next class. I have these colorful pens, and these are from Papermate, and these were around $4, and these are great to take notes in. And these are also kind of like a double set, so if you lose like your red pen, you have another red pen here, which I think is great. I need colorful pens to take notes in. I cannot stare at a paper that's just like with neutral ink on it, so colorful pens make studying much more exciting and fun, and actually makes me want to study. I just have 4 notebooks, and these 2 are from 5 Star, and these are pretty big and heavy. I thought this was black, but it's actually just navy blue. This is a white one. I tried to go for like a black and white themed notebook, but that was just not going to work out. And this one just has a folder in it, so you can keep like loose notes in this, and you can take notes on the actual college rule paper. And what I usually do, I try to keep my like folders and notebooks and book covers like different colors and stuff and different patterns, so I know like what class that notebook is for, so I won't get all confused. And these are from Med, and these are the same pattern but different colors. Last but not least, I really do recommend index cards, flashcards, because they're they're more fun to study with, I guess, because those really help me. But last thing I got are these mechanical pencils. Well, this mechanical pencil, and this is just blue. This is the one I get every single year because these are great. I don't really recommend these. These are my brother's, so whatever. I really recommend this because the lead doesn't break that easily, like the The pencil's just great, okay? Just recommend it. I really don't know how to explain pencils, but yeah. So that is it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and comment what you're excited about going to school. I know a lot of people really aren't that excited to go to school, so summer is basically over now. So yeah, I will see you guys later. Bye.